Hey everyone, welcome to new updates of Odoo 18.2, and we can say that this is one of the expected feature of Odoo 19, that is recomputing the column width. Let's dive into any of the module that have the list view. So let me move on to the sales module, and here you can see that we have different columns, and let me adjust it over here. So currently you can see the date is not completely visible over here. So you can just drag it over here, like you can just drag and edges. Instead of manually doing this, you can just choose the column over here, and upon double clicking this, you can see the recomputation will be automatically done for the columns. So this is one of the new feature that we can find under 18.2, and we can say that this is one of the expected feature of Odoo 19. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.